What Bill of Rights protections stop government infringing liberties? Imagine living in a society where your personal freedoms could be easily taken away at any moment. Fortunately, the United States Constitution includes specific protections designed to prevent government overreach and safeguard individual rights. These protections are found primarily in the first 10 amendments, collectively known as the Bill of Rights. The First Amendment guarantees fundamental freedoms such as freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of the press, the right to assemble peacefully, and the right to petition the government for redress of grievances. These protections ensure that citizens can express their opinions, practice their faith, and advocate for change without fear of government censorship or punishment. The Second Amendment protects the right of individuals to keep and bear arms. This provision was included to allow citizens to defend themselves and to serve as a check against potential tyranny. It emphasizes that the government cannot infringe upon this right without due process. The Third Amendment addresses the issue of quartering soldiers in private homes, prohibiting such actions during peacetime without the homeowner's consent. While less frequently invoked today, it reflects the importance of privacy and property rights. The Fourth Amendment guards against unreasonable searches and seizures. It requires law enforcement to have probable cause and, in most cases, a warrant issued by a judge before conducting searches or seizing property. This protection prevents arbitrary intrusion into individuals' private lives. The Fifth Amendment provides several protections, including protection against self-incrimination, double jeopardy, and government taking private property for public use without just compensation. It ensures that individuals cannot be forced to testify against themselves and that their property rights are respected. The Sixth Amendment guarantees the right to a fair and speedy trial by an impartial jury. It includes protections for the accused, such as the right to be informed of charges, to confront witnesses, and to have legal representation. The Seventh Amendment preserves the right to a jury trial in civil cases involving significant amounts of money or property disputes. This prevents courts from making decisions without input from ordinary citizens. The Eighth Amendment prohibits excessive bail, excessive fines, and cruel and unusual punishments. It aims to ensure that punishments are fair and humane. The Ninth Amendment states that the enumeration of certain rights in the Constitution does not mean that people do not have other rights that are not specifically listed. This broadens protections for individual liberties beyond those explicitly mentioned. The 10th Amendment emphasizes that powers not delegated to the federal government by the Constitution nor prohibited to the states are reserved to the states or the people. This limits federal authority and preserves state sovereignty. Together, these protections form a comprehensive framework that limits government power and ensures that individual liberties are preserved. They serve as a legal foundation for defending personal freedoms against unwarranted government actions.